All right, so probably some of y'all have already seen what this video is going to be about. If you're subscribed to my other YouTube channel, you already know that I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dewalt, the DW735 planer. It's not the DW735X that has the feed tables and the extra blades. That one was on sale a few weeks ago, online only, for Lowe's, and it obviously sold out really quick. It was $4.99, so I didn't get a chance to get that one. So this one here is just the 735. I do work for Lowe's, so I get a 10% discount on that. So I got another 10% off of that. But they have gone up in price. They were $5.99. I think this one was $6.29. But I've been saving for over a year for this, so I figured go ahead and get it now. So we'll do the unboxing, and I hope you all enjoy. Alright, so I hope y'all can hear me. I got a fan going. It's freaking hot in here. We got, I don't know who designed this house, who built it, whatever, but they ran the dryer vent into the garage instead of running it outside. So for somebody who works in the garage a lot, that's kind of stupid. So eventually I'm gonna run it outside, so it gets hot in here. That's why I got the fan going. So I hope y'all can hear me, but we're gonna get into it. All right, so first, instruction manual, owner's manual, whatever. Then we got the adapter for the dust collection system. I don't have one. I got a shop vac though that I've been using, and I'll probably use that until I actually get into a shop where I can set up a dust collection system. So that's what that's for right there. This is the wheel to raise and lower the planer to the thickness you want. So from what I've seen, it's really the only two things you have to install. So unless you get the X model, which is it comes with those feed tables. See if I can lift this out of here without killing myself. All right, so first impression, it's pretty well packed. That thing was not going anywhere, so that's good. So I know everything should be good on it. So, all right, now I'm gonna bring y'all in closer. We're gonna stick these things on, and then we're gonna walk around the planer and take a look at everything. All right, so here's the top. Of course, you don't want to step on it, apparently. And then it has feed direction, which is kind of helpful. You can also tell the feed direction because there's the exhaust and then all your power button and all that stuff's up here on the front. So it does come with this Torx bit, but it's only used for like the top of this. It's not going to work for the Allen heads, so it's only used for That, and I think to change the blades also. You can use that. But you got here, this is where the wheel goes. And if you can tell, let me take this screw out. You can tell it can only go on one direction. See that flat spot on this on the circle, and then that flat spot. So it can only go on one direction. So put it on, and I don't have the right size Allen wrench. I got a whole set of Allen wrenches somewhere, but we have not unpacked everything yet. And I gotta get everything unpacked from the garage so I can start unpacking my tools. So I found this inside that I had. So that's good enough for now. I'll come back and tighten it better later. So here's the adapter for the wood shavings. So basically you got that, and then the little pin right there. Then you got this pin over here that it pushes, so it locks it into place. So we'll just do this, push that pin in, and then turn it and it snaps into place. So then you can hook your dust collection system up to that, or in my case, my shop bag. First, I'll take off this top and show y'all what's underneath. So those, that's good. Those don't come all the way out, so you can't lose them. Because me, I would lose them. Alright, so I'm going to get the camera mounted back on the tripod, and then I will show y'all underneath. Alright, so that's what's underneath here. This is where all the dust comes through. It shoots out here. They got these cool little, just hand tight screws to hold these. I believe these do come all the way out. So this is how you get to your blade to change it as well. Blades, sorry. There's 3 blades. So you lift up. As you can see, down in there, the blades. I'm not gonna get fingers too close because those are pretty sharp. So here, I thought this was pretty cool. It's chain driven, so that all the sides, they go up evenly. So I thought that was pretty neat. So, that's pretty much what I know on the inside. I mean, some of y'all might know a little more, but for me, that's all I know. Now over here, this is your depth stop. So if you got it, let's just do 3/4 of an inch. You got it at 3/4 of an inch, it won't let you go any lower than that. Let's get over here where I can see. Right there. 3/4. So now we'll move it. Let's move it to, I gotta take the pressure off. So let's move it to 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch. There's 1/2 inch right there. So that's pretty cool. Won't let you go any further than what you have that set to. So that's pretty neat. All right, so moving around, both got these handles. They're pretty solid. I lifted it out of the box by those, so pretty solid. The whole machine overall is really solid machine. I hope, you know, from all the research I've done, I think I'm gonna like it. Like I said, it's, in my opinion, one of the best on the market. If I got the X, that's where the feed tables will mount to right there. So I'll eventually get some of those, but I just wanted to get it because I was at the point where I had the money finally, and I wanted to get it. So that's a quick walk around. Like I said, I am no expert on planers or really any particular shop tool in general. I'm not an expert on. So I'm still, technically, in my opinion, I'm still in the beginner stage. So yeah, I'll get a piece of wood and I'll run it through there and we'll see how it works. All right, so first off, safety. Keep hands away from cutter head. So that's on there because somebody has gotten their hands close to the cutter head before. Anyways, so here's your on off, obviously. This to reset, I guess it overheats. Then this is your material removal gauge. So like, I'll show you all in a second, but when you put a board under there, after you've adjusted your height, it'll tell you how much you're gonna be taking off. So if you don't want to take off, say it goes to a 16th, you don't want to take off a 16th, you'll raise it up a little bit more. So here's the cuts per inch right there, and it says shift only while machine is running. So I guess it won't work if you don't do it while it's running. So I got this 2x6, and if you run it in just flat like that, it shows it's going to take a 30-second off. Y'all can see that, or roughly a little over 30-second. So that's pretty cool. If I wanted to take off more, then I would just run this up. Now it's set to take off 3/30 seconds. So probably not gonna go that thick on my first pass, but just wanted to show you. So I just took a 30-second off, which is not a whole lot, but it's real smooth. I mean, a little bit of snipe, but if I were using my other planer, it's got brand new blades in it, you would see it all throughout the board. That's not bad at all. So I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna do another pass, and then we'll see. I'll do, probably won't do it on camera, but not bad. Okay, so I ran it through 2 more times. I took another 30-second off each time. The last time I did it on the 176 cuts per inch. And man, that is like 1,000 times better than what I had. That is just so smooth. This kind of looked like this. And now, that's awesome. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. So I probably should have mentioned this before, but that's pretty cool. They got a raise and lower arrows. So raise it, lower it. Also, 1 revolution equals 1/16 of an inch, which is pretty neat. So start down here, all the way around, roughly 1/16 of an inch. So that's pretty neat that they thought to do that. So that's gonna do it for this first video of the new channel. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope to get more unboxings and stuff like this, but it's mainly gonna be channel for woodworking and metalworking. As some of y'all know, from my other channel, I started a smoker project. It's gonna be a smoker on a trailer. It's a 200-gallon propane tank. So I'll probably have that whenever I can get it, because this new house we're in, there's no more room in the breaker box, and there's no 220 outlets. So I can't use my welder or my plasma cutter. So I'll have to wait till I get my shop built so I can get that going. But yeah, so this channel is mainly gonna be woodworking stuff and tool unboxings and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. Also click the bell so you can get some notifications whenever I put new videos out. I'm hoping now that we're more settled into our new house, I will be able to get more videos out. My other channel, it's been a while since I put videos out, but you know, we just moved a couple months ago, and so we're still settling in. So my garage is not where it needs to be to start doing any big projects. So I will continue on my cutting boards, because those don't take up a whole lot of room. But yeah, I want to eventually get into some more furniture and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm done rambling on. So with that, y'all have a good day. This is